video, we're going to pick up where we left off and finish assembling the pegs and the final end onto our pegboard toy. So we're going to go ahead and continue. We're going to move the triangular peg, and we're going to attach that to the pegboard. So let's go ahead and go to this slider mate, and let's zoom in. So if I roll the mouse wheel, I can zoom in, and I want this corner, and notice the orientation of the circle, it's flat. So I'm going to select that for my first position, and then I want to select this corner of the triangular cutout, and then click the green check mark. I'm going to hit escape to end that, and I should be able to move this right here. Now again, if I look at like the front view, these aren't even, so I want those to be even. So I'm going to add a fastened mate, and this time it's going to be the top. And again, I'm going to use like the same thing. So like this corner and this corner, but I'm going to place a 1-inch offset on the z-axis. So this is going to say 1 inch. Click the green check mark, and now these are even. If I click the front view, you can see that they're going to be even. All right, and then let's go on to the hit escape to end that command, and let's move the square peg over. Let's do the same thing with that. So let's do a slider mate. I'm sure you could, there's a lot of different ways you could do this. I'm going to get the corner. Oops, didn't quite take, there we go. For my first point, and then this corner for the second point. And then let's go ahead and click that, hit escape. Can move this, it works fine. And then let's go ahead and place a one more mate on that, just to get that even look, the 1-inch offset. And click the green check mark. All right, and then for the last step, let's go ahead and attach this leg, this support. And so we're going to do a fastened mate, and let's get maybe if I do this corner, I could go to this corner, and that works. Now let's end the fastening command, hit escape a couple times. Just select parts, make sure nothing moves so it's all locked in position. And that's it. That's